might have set for me.
Oh, yay! I'm a sacrifice!
Isn't a quiet taste.
Why are you wearing King Julian's crown? Only the king should wear the crown, which is not you. It is Julian, the other Julian. The one I love so much because he's about 1 billion times better than you. Daddy. Peaceful. I can have his body, right? I hate it when my mom is mean to my dad.
This is all Maud's fault.
I regret nothing.
Then I shall eat you first.
Hooray! Phew, dodge that bullet.